Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying, reviewing and showing you guys the new Revolution Fast Base Concealers. We have these three shades that I got here. So I got the shades C8.5, C9 and C11. There was no in between with C9 and C11. It kind of jumped from C9 to C11 rather than having C9, C10 and then C11, if that makes sense. But we're going to try them today. We're going to see how they work. I've got them on right now, so I don't know about you, but I think that my under eyes looks quite bright. I feel like the brightening up here is just looking on fleek. But I'll be trying these, I'll be swatching them, I'll be doing a full review on them. So if you guys want to see how I use these and how they worked for me, then keep on watching. But before you do go anywhere, as always guys, I feel like we always meet at this point. Like, we always are here. Like, just subscribe to my channel. Honestly, right here, there's a button that says subscribe. Just press it. That's all you need to do. That's all I'm asking from you, is to watch this video and subscribe to my channel. 2 things. I know you can do it. Hey guys, so I've done my face and I've done my eyes as well using the Norvina eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to see this eye look, then check it out in the video before. But today I am going to be trying and reviewing the new Revolution Fast Base Concealers. These little beauties here. Now, I got 3 shades because I wasn't sure what shade to get, so I think we're going to try all 3 today. I'm going to swatch all 3 anyway so that you guys can see what they look like, and I'll just do this on the back of my hand. So we have C8.5, C9 and C11. There wasn't an in-between between C9 and C11, it just kind of went from C9 to C11, so I wasn't quite sure about that one. But let's try the lightest first. So C8.5, so it's like a little sponge at the top here, which is quite nice, and then you like twist it until it comes out. It's kind of similar to the Maybelline concealer, the way that you just twist it until it comes out. So C8.5. Okay, that might be a little bit too light for me. In fact, I think that will be too light for me. I suppose I might be able to use it for brightening. C9. So that's got like a peach pinky undertone to it. I'm more golden, so my skin tone is more golden, so I don't know how that will work for me. And now C11. Look at the jump. C8.5, C9 and C11. So C11 I feel like is like my skin tone, so I don't think that's going to work. Let's try C11 and see, and then we can go in with 8.5 to brighten up, because 9 is just too pink for me. That's not going to work at all. So let's try C11. So this is known as a fast base concealer, so I'm expecting it to dry quite fast. Do you know what? I feel like that shade actually works for me, and that's C11. Okay. So far it's blending out really nicely. Okay. Did you just see that flawless coverage? And did you just see how effortlessly that just blended out into nothing? Okay, that's blending really, really nicely. So I feel like that is the right shade for me. However, I would like to brighten slightly. So, I know this is quite a jump, but there's no in between. And C9 is just too pink, and it's not going to work for my skin tone at all. That's basically a sign not to use it. So, 8.5. Okay. Okay, that's way too light. Way too light. But we're gonna try it. I'm not hating it. Do I dare to try more? I dare to try more. Okay, I'm not hating it. I think we're gonna get a snatched contour today for sure. Okay, that's concealer on. And I've not even contoured that yet. And look how nice that looks. I don't think there needs to be an in-between. Because the fact that it jumps from 8.5 to 9 to 11, there needs to be an in-between. The concealer itself, I'm liking it. It's got nice coverage. It blends really nice. It's not creasing anywhere at all. I am liking it, but the shade range needs to be expanded because that's just too much of a jump. Way too much. Okay, I'm going to quickly contour and powder, and then we will see how it looks after that. Okay guys, so I've finished powdering. I've just added some lashes as well. Now I'm going to remove the powder and see how this looks underneath. I think with help from that concealer and the powder, it is brightened really nicely and it actually looks really nice. I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Hey guys, so I'm back. Full look complete. Now, I really do like these concealers. I love how flawless it looks. It literally has hid any dark circles, any pigmentation, it's hid it all and it literally looks flawless. The only thing is the shade range. I wish there was a little bit more shades. I feel like it jumps from like really, really, really light to like pink to then not dark, but light to pink to like medium. There's no like in between. So I think there needs to be a little in between with these shades. That's the only thing that I would say. But I do like the concealers. They're very blendable. They went on really nicely. They blended out really nicely as well. And the lighter shade that I use a little bit brightened up my under eyes really nicely. And I'm actually loving how it looks. Let me know in the comment section what you thought of these concealers. If you've tried them yourself, then let me know what you thought of them. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as well. If you have, then leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you for another video.